the terraced fields of Móng Ngựa in northwest Vietnam. During the green rice season, amidst the majestic mountains of northwest Vietnam, the terraced fields of Móng Ngựa emerge as a masterpiece of nature and human ingenuity. When the rice is still green, the entire area dons a vibrant emerald blanket, soft and full of life. From afar, the terraced fields coil around the hillsides, forming a graceful horseshoe shape, both powerful and elegant. Each step of the terrace feels like a stairway leading to the heavens, connecting the earth and sky in perfect harmony. Under the morning sunlight, dewdrops clinging to the rice leaves sparkle like tiny jewels, illuminating the entire landscape. The rice plants, still in their youth, stretch their tender green shoots toward the sun, soaking in the warmth of the day. Gentle breezes from distant mountains sweep through, making the rice leaves sway like rippling waves across a green ocean. The subtle fragrance of earth, grass, and young rice mingles in the air, bringing an indescribable sense of peace and freshness. The locals, dressed in vibrant traditional clothing, move gracefully along the terraces. Their laughter echoes through the hills, blending with the soft murmur of small streams weaving through irrigation channels, creating a lively symphony of nature. Standing amidst such beauty, one's heart feels light and serene. The terraced fields of Móng Ngựa are not just a scenic wonder, but also a symbol of perseverance and creativity of the Highland people, a source of pride for the majestic Northwest.